New at 5, figures from the local health department show 1 out of every 3 adults in Greene, Christian, and Webster counties have high blood pressure. 36% have high cholesterol. Joe Hickman digs into why that matters and what you can do about it.
I do have high blood pressure.
Peggy Mullins is the widow of legendary country songwriter Johnny Mullins, who composed music for the likes of Loretta Lynn and Porter Wagner. At age 86, Peggy is still dealing with high blood pressure and cholesterol she blames on a stressful time in the 1990s.
At the time I started, my mother had dementia, and my husband was coming down with it, and so, yeah, there was a lot of stress.
We do know that high stress people do have increased risk of heart disease.
And stress is just one of several contributing factors to high cholesterol and blood pressure.
Obesity is certainly one of those. A sedentary or low activity lifestyle is another. Smoking is certainly high on the list.
Those factors can contribute to an increase in heart disease, which kills 800,000 Americans every year. And
the common denominator among all of those is high blood pressure. The longer your blood pressure is high, the more stress it puts on the heart and on the arteries. We used to call high blood pressure the silent killer because most people simply don't know that they have high blood pressure. You don't feel it.
But if you can get your own blood pressure cuff, here's something you should know.
And I would prefer to focus on the top number, as the bottom number typically follows.
Our recommendation is if your top number is over 130 very often, it's time to at least have a conversation with your doctor.
There are many suggestions as to how to keep your blood pressure down, but in talking with those over age 90, the one thing they share in common?
They're always active. And it doesn't necessarily have to be high intensity.
Even 15 to 30 minutes per day of walking.
The biggest investment that you can make in terms of not only your health, but also your pocketbook is focusing on your own health. If you can prevent things now, it definitely saves you a lot later.
Reporting for KY3, I'm Joe Hickman.